Hey, awesome musicians, this is Benjamin, and we're working on the strum pattern for the song Walking on Sunshine by Christina and the Waves. So, the strum pattern is essentially this concept of. We'll make it a little bit more complex in a second, but let's just get that feel down. Let's run it for 20 seconds. Very good. Now, the strum pattern for the refrain is going from the G to the F. I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa. And there's that beat. Is boom, 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 boom. Don't it feel good? And don't it feel good? Now, the next step for the strum pattern is that this just keeps going up and down. It's like this. The other strums, of course, are kind of they're muted out mostly. So you get the strong when you press down here, and then quiet when you pick your fingers up. Good job. Keep up the awesome work and keep walking on sunshine.